Let's talk about classic photography trends on Tumblr. If you were a teenager between 2009 and 2017, you likely spent a little time on Tumblr. The image landscape was diverse but dominated by a few key aesthetics: pale, dark and moody, and grunge chief among them. Almost all images on the platform had a few things in common. The black tones would be lifted to create a washed out effect and the saturation muted slightly. On pale blogs, you might find photos of notebooks, cups of coffee, items held in laps, as well as lots of overlap with the film photography tropes that I've discussed previously. Dark and moody blogs would have Hogwarts-like buildings, leafless trees, misty scenery. Grunge blogs might have slogans written on cigarettes, images of messy buns, and the classic thigh gap pose. The point of these images was to create a mood. They wouldn't feature people's faces or expressions, instead relying on snippets of scenery to convey emotion. The curation of these images on a blog was an art of its own, an act of collage. And we might learn something about how to tell stories in our own photographs by understanding how the tropes in these images were assembled like words in a sentence to express something unique to the blog's curator.